Deadliest bird in Australia. In '09, stole me sausage roll.
Mate, that thing's looking at us like we're on the menu.
Pretty sure he can smell fear, and I forgot to put on deodorant.
Oh yeah, she's a big girl. That is definitely above average size.
Mate, that's not normal, right? Right?
Now, if everyone could stay real calm, we might get out of this with both legs attached.
Oh, we're stuffed.
She wants me pie, doesn't she?
Mate, I think she wants the bloke with the pie. Yeah, this is gonna end badly.
Yeah, nah, time to go, time to go!
Drive, mate, DRIP! Run!
She's right on our tail, mate.
Drive faster. I like me legs where they are. It's coming! Coming! Drive faster! Yeah, nah, we're done for. This is worse than magpie season.
Mate, magpies don't flip cars. Right, reckon we lost her. Time for a breather, mate.
Yeah, till she turns up wanting dessert.
She probably gave up ages ago, mate. Birds have got short memories, yeah?
Yeah, nah, magpies remember faces. Imagine what this one remembers.